catch mine.
Hello everyone, it's Mason and welcome back to another advanced video. I'm going to be showing you how to get a new Jammers username. It does work, I just checked. So yeah. Let's go, for example, we'll find a place to go to. For example, Grande will do this server is beautiful and find a new jammer. I mean, you can't really get a new jammer's username without, oh, just found a new jammer, okay. And what you have to do is click on their username. No. And you have to spam them with jamgrams like this. I honestly haven't seen many people do this, like, at least I saw this done once, so I decided why not do it. Because, you know, why not? And let's just spam this. And as you can see, it's not new jammer, but it's SAF-AO. Oh my god, what kind of username even is this? You know what, whatever, you see the username. You have reached your jamgram limit, blah 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 blah. And you see the new jammer's username. So that is how to expose a new jammer and get their username. So this was a short video. Yeah. Oh, it's actually okay. Trade, but no thanks. Hi. Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching, and goodbye.